Alright, if you have 11 Gen Ford F-150 4x4 here, and you're either about to go ahead and do something that involves unbolting this little nut here, and you want to see the torque specs and figure out how to do it, or you probably already snapped it off like I did here when putting it back on. I went ahead and tried to go put this back on. I googled it and it said 25 foot-pounds. I saw a video, it said 40. So I just went for a lower number because it's a smaller bolt. So I went ahead and did it, and guess what? My wrench didn't click and this snapped off. You guys probably have the same issue, or you know somebody having an issue like this. Here's a quick thing. Just don't torque it at all. Just go ahead and get your wrench and tighten it down until you feel please. Or else what you'll be doing, you'll be messing with this tie rod and that, and maybe you got to unseize that if you didn't even touch that yet. Or you got to go ahead and undo that just so you can replace the front axle, because this is all one piece. You can't do one little piece there and there. You got to undo all of that. And here I am doing that, and I'm struggling with this tie rod. It's much cheaper just to go ahead and just tighten it down to what you feel like with your wrench. And so you guys don't have to end up in this situation again or in the first place.